Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item. As you can see, this is a very popular package. It is a green plastic bag, and I just received this item last week. I ordered it 2 weeks ago, and after 8 days, it arrived here in the Philippines through my forwarder, which is the Johnny Air Cargo Plus, which is based in Los Angeles, California. So this is how I do it. I ordered I order a particular item from Ironheart UK online, and then have it delivered at my Johnny Air Cargo Plus address in Los Angeles, California. And it takes about 3 to 4 days to arrive there. And then from Los Angeles, it is being sent here in the Philippines. And I pick it up in Manila at the SM Mega Mall. And after 8 days from the time I ordered it, I have this green bag already. So, the story of this is that last year I was not able to order this kind of item, which is the Western shirt version. But I have here a shirt which is 17 ounces duck fabric, which I wanted to have in my collection of Ironheart shirts. So this is it. So we're going to unbox or unpack this item. And bring out the usual brown package. And of course, and bring out the item. Let's see what is inside. The usual thing, and I have a sticker. I think there is another one. Oh, no more. Only one sticker and this instruction. This is the IHSH 189 in size small from Ironheart. This is my first time to have a CPO in duck fabric, which is 17 ounces in weight. And I got the size small. And having memorized the dimension or the different sizing dimension of the shirt, the shoulder is 17 inches, the pit to pit is 20.4, and then the opening is 19.5 inches. And you have this big snap buttons, and this is the work shirt that they have. The work shirt is simply a pocket without any flaps. There is no, you call the yoke on the shoulder. There is no yoke on the back. And what is very distinct is you have a pocket on the side, on the front, on the left and the right. and then you have a very big snap button on the sleeves. So this is it. I wanted to have a Western shirt, CPO shirt with this kind of fabric last year, but I guess my debit card did not work. So I was surprised why the usual debit card that I've been using through PayPal did not post through. I don't know why. So IH189 brown 100% cotton. I forgot already how much is this. Maybe since the CPO it's maybe $415, and we are going to open it. My first CPO on the duck canvas fabric. So we'll go now to the fit video of this IHSH 189. This is a CPO shirt, work shirt from Iron Heart. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.